Hello everyone, happy crafting Friday. Today I'm going to show you how I transform a kitchen napkin into a pillow. Yes, you heard me right. All we're gonna use is a kitchen napkin, two strings, safety pin, and a cylinder pillow, which is also called neck pillow or round pillow. I am using a safety pin, attaching it to the string, and I'm going to pull it through the hand alongside all the way through. Very simple. Once I finish with that, I am just going to tie it together at both ends. So the idea is to tie it, but not too strong, so you'll be able to untie it and be able to wash it when it's dirty. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.